What's up guys, in our last lesson we have created a section and we use ng repeat directive to repeat those sections according to the data, and in the same way I created the comment section and admin section, and to do that uh, I assigned the controller to admin panel blogs and admin panel comments, and the same way I used two more services to get comments row and get admin rows, blog rows from the admin, and later we're going to use HTTP request to get this data from the table. And same way I used ng repeat and repeated these rows in our HTML file. So today I'm going to show you some interesting stuffs about forms and how ng controller works. So to do that, let's go for our sign up form. Today we're going to work on our sign up forms. So in the submit, we don't need to do this now. Let's give a name to our form, sign up form name, and sign up controller I'm already declared here, and I'm going to assign this controller to our page here. So let's register it in our controller form. Let's create a controller here, dot controller, so we give a name to the sign up form. So another thing I want, okay, let me show you the two-way data binding now. To use two-way data binding, we use a controller here. The controller going to work for this section. We create sign up controller, nice, controller JS, sign up ctrl dot scope function scope, and now we will create an object here, that is let us create this form dollar scope. So let us assign, go to our login sign up form, and it is our input form. Now I'm going to use a directive called ng model is equal to and assign the same variable username, and I will going to assign some value to this username. Let's press it. And this is syntax error. ngview,ngscope. Okay. So now as you see, and let us do one thing. Let us so now when we update the value in the controller in the scope object and assign some value, so the content of that field in our sign-up form get updated with that. But when we change the input field, as you see here, the scope variable also get updated. So in that way, means when you change the view, in the sense in the HTML of the input field, the scope variable get updated. When you change the scope variable, the input value also get updated. So this is called two-way data binding. To achieve this in jQuery and other is very tedious work, and this is just a one-line command in AngularJS. Anyway, we're going to assign ng model for every field. Username, user email, and then we'll use it user password. And same way in our controller also we can declare those stuffs. User email xyz@abc.com, then user password. So remember, whenever the input values get updated, these variables get updated, and we can send this to database to insert that. So before doing that, we must have to validate the data, whether the user entering correct value or not. To do that, Angular has a different object model, that is a form object. When we declare here form, already one scope object is attached to that form object and the form object, and it has various properties, and using those properties we can validate our form very easily. I'll be showing that in next video. Thank you very much.